Thanksgiving is a time for gratitude, family, and delicious meals. Today we'll guide you through safely getting your turkey out of the oven. First, ensure that the oven door is fully open, creating ample space to move and manage the turkey. Position yourself as close as you can to the oven. Place your feet shoulder width apart, distributing your body weight evenly. Maintain a straight back, minimizing the need to lean over the oven. Slide the turkey as close to you as possible. Using oven mitts, make sure you have a firm grip on the turkey to prevent any slipping or sudden movements. Lift the turkey using your legs, keeping the load close to your body to minimize strain on your back. Move smoothly and avoid any jerky movements. Lastly, have a clear, flat surface ready where you can place the turkey immediately after removing it from the oven. By following these ergonomic tips, you'll be ensuring a safer and more comfortable Thanksgiving meal preparation. Enjoy your holiday and stay ergonomic.